In Fuzor 2024, our goal is to solve repetitive 4D work and create a new approach to the VDC and AEC industry. Whether you manually assign objects to the schedule or assign activity codes to your model using a script, the process is time-consuming and prone to error. Introducing Fuzor's Expert AI and 4D automation. Create a private Expert AI database in Fuzor and automate your 4D project. Saving time creating macro schedule 4D animations gives you more time to accomplish detailed animations. In Fuzor 2024, this is accomplished with our revolutionary micro-scheduling system. Essential to any construction project is an ability to illustrate how and where the construction will happen. Micro tasks are detailed tasks not required by the traditional macro scheduler, but are essential for construction because they can call out potential issues and conflicts to ensure clash-free installation and safe construction. Other solutions have tried to combine the two areas, but with difficulties. Fuzor has created a new micro-schedule logic which does not affect macro-schedule tasks and automatically adjusts with macro-schedule updates. In Fuzor, micro tasks can also be offset from macro task dates, allowing you to schedule essential tasks that do not fall within the macro schedule logic. 4D object assignment can be difficult, especially when section and areas in the schedule are not in the BIM parameters of the model. In Fuzor 2024, you can now draw precise zones and adjust zone heights in a user-friendly way. Leverage zones to add model elements to the schedule and even display 3D zones for your project delivery. What if there was a way to automatically create detailed animations? You can now rely on auto-generated keyframes to assist your workflow. Create animations in the matter of seconds and even will auto-grab and release soil. With Fuzor 2024, a repeatable way of creating detailed construction animations in-house has never been more accessible, and choosing the right tool for the job just got even easier. Component swapping allows you to change equipment parts in the matter of just a couple clicks, combined with auto-generated keyframes for stunning results in a user-friendly workflow that can also be updated when schedule changes are made. Typically, detailed driving animations need to be created keyframe by keyframe. In Fuzor 2024, vehicle animations can now be linked to paths. Save countless hours of work and tedious animation fine-tuning with Fuzor's vehicle animation linked paths. Link and unlink vehicles at the click of a button and watch your vehicles seamlessly animate. In Fuzor 2024, save time, reduce errors, and create sustainable digital deliverables that you can use time and time again. Fuzor, the next-gen VDC software.